Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this part is a jaw plate and all dimension in inch. And okay, this project is a bench wise lathe machine and how to this all parts is design here and all parts is assemble here. Okay, at first all parts is drawing one by one and last is this body is assemble here, and this is a isometric view and this is a top view and this is a front view and this is a right view. All geometry is a you can see here on the screen. Okay, this body is a jaw plate and how to this body is a design, and this is a two you see this is a hole wizard is used here, and this is a two hole is created is this is a counter sink, and this two counter sink is a design and created here, and 1/4 float head machine screw. Okay, this is perfect and how to this body is designed, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, and also a professional student is very important lecture. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first going to part, and some setting is very important, and this setting is a plain white, and going to this option and document property and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct, and this unit is also changed here. This is a IPS. Okay, this is a IPS means inch pound second. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a sketch here. This is a at first select a front view. At first select a front plane because this is a front view is perfect drawing here, and top view this thickness is a 0.19 inch, and this length is a 2.75 inch, and this width is a 1.75 inch, and this fillet is used here 0.01 inch. Okay, at first select a front plane, sketch, normal. Okay, drawing this corner rectangle. Okay, this is a corner rectangle is a drawing here. Okay, this is a drawing a corner rectangle. Okay, and this plane, and press a control button, and this plane and this origin point is select here, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and define all dimension, and this is a length is a 2.75 millimeter, and this width is a 1.75 inch. Okay, both is inch here, 2.75 inch, and this is a 1.75 inch because all unit is a inch setting here. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is a this is a select a direction is reverse is better. Okay, and this is a thickness is a 0.19 is inch. Okay, because this thickness is a 0.19 is perfect. Okay, all is correct, and okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and this body is okay, all is perfect. Okay, and this face normal because drawing this hole wizard, and hole wizard is very important, and going to this is a counter sink, and this counter sink is a use here, and this unit is a setting here. This standard is ANSI inch, and type is a flat head screw. Flat head screw is 82 is perfect. Okay, and size is 1/4 and normal, and this is a end condition through all is all setting is perfect, and position and position is at first drawing a center line. A center line is drawing here this origin to this, because this is a very important. Okay, and this vertical, and this position is not showing here, and going to this point is click here, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, at first this is a define a this is a 1 inch is perfect, and click OK, and this preview is not showing here, and click here this. Okay, and this is a drawing here is first, and second is a drawing this. Okay, and at first some relation is very important, and this point, and press a control button, and this point is a select here, and this is a horizontal line. Okay, and also select this line, and press a control button, and select both point, and this is a symmetric. Both relation is very important, and define a dimension, and both point is select here, and this is a 1.5 is perfect. Okay, 1.5 is perfect, and both distance between a distance is a 1.5, because all is a this is a black color is all is fully defined, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and all relation is also perfect, but this 2 point is not mentioned here, and this is a very important, and both is a okay, and click OK. Okay, all is a perfect drawing here, and this use a fillet, and fillet is a 0.01 inch is a perfect, and select all face, this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, all is a okay, not mention, this is a delete here, and select this face. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and isometric view, and material is apply here, going to appearance, and metal, and this is a chrome, and this is a chromium plate is perfect. Okay, also this material is a selector nickel. Okay, and going to this is a nickel, and going to polished nickel is this is a some better looking is isometric view, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, all is perfect is correct, and going to this and isometric view. Okay, and guys all point discuss here very easily, and guys next lecture is coming soon, and guys I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, okay guys, thank you.